Hey guys, so this is day one of me entering the tech world, and I'm doing it through the Odin Project. So today is 27th of February 2024, and if you go to the Odin Project Discord server, go to their success stories. You can see this was 30 days ago, 10 days ago. Yeah, so this is a success template. But if I open any of these, uh, so you can see the success stories of people who've done the courses on the Odin project website and actually landed a job within the tech space. So we have a full-time web developer position. So let's see how much. So he's done a BA in UX design and consists of knowing and existed memory of few scratch projects, keeping my toes in the water. No occupation during top full time, 40 to 50 hours per week in late February 2023. So that's close to 1 year, right? So shopping cart, CV creator, personal take on calculator, cage calculator. Okay. And then I really like this story as well. Hybrid software developer at a startup in Germany. So she has no, she's a dropout, high school dropout, and 26-year-old woman. And yeah, I mean, they have not mentioned the salaries, but you can see even a high school dropout can get a job from, she started learning December 2022. Uh, September 2022, 30 to 50 hours per week. What is the last three projects that you completed? Building projects. Okay. So you guys can also go through this. I mean, this is my journey, and I'm just going to keep posting it raw every day. And I'm going to be posting what I keep learning from the Odin project, my daily uh, achievements. So let's go to ChatGPT. And you can say today is okay. Sorry about my hair, guys. Just applied some oil and need to have a bath. We call that velichanna in back home in India. 27th Feb 2024, and I want to land a job in the tech space. I'm going to start my journey with the Odin project with Ruby on Rails. That's my plan, and then I'll look at some other courses. But Ruby on Rails because I want to learn Ruby because I want to develop plugins for SketchUp. That's one of my goals, and the other goal is yeah, I just want to get a job in the tech space, right? I want to get a job. I want a job. So I'm living in Germany, and my job seeker visa expires on I think June 2025. So I want to land a job before that, ideally in the tech space. So can you create a roadmap? Yeah, I type pretty fast, so that's something which probably helped me learn coding faster as well, I guess. I don't know. So can you create a roadmap for me for the next 6 months? I want to invest about 40 to 50 hours per week. So create a timetable as well. But I want to keep the first half of the day for my online business. So I also create online courses called with the software SketchUp. And the reason why I'm learning Ruby is so that I can create plugins for SketchUp. So I teach students how to create photorealistic renderings with SketchUp and V-Ray and some 3D modeling, how to approach interior design, architecture, projects, and more. I am an architect by profession, um, but I want to get into the tech space because I see more of the future being the tech space, and seeing I see more of my work getting automated. So I want to be the one who automates my work than someone else doing it for me and me getting laid off or not getting business or not having a proper future. So that's the reason why I want to get into coding. I'll probably in some way land myself there where I'm contributing to the tech in my profession, but slow steps. And let's see what. And the second half towards um, building my knowledge in tech. So this by creating this YouTube channel, I want to showcase to the world that you don't need to do a degree. You don't need a degree in whatever. You can just learn, sit at home and learn online, and hopefully land a project. And hopefully this will inspire others. I'm 31 years old. In September I'll become 32. Um, so yeah, this is going to be my daily vlog. You can watch along. You can subscribe if you want. This is just like a channel to keep me motivated. I'm not planning to make money out of it. It's just to motivate me and you guys. If I make money, great. I mean, that's what most people start YouTube for. But I've already created a couple of YouTube channels, and that is specific for SketchUp tutorials, and I make about $100 per month on those channels. But my goal for this channel is to keep me motivated every day to study, um, and hopefully land a job 6 months from now, which is a big ask. I need to learn a lot. My programming background, I did learn Java in 11th and 12th, but I was the worst student in that class, and I never understood any of the concepts. Uh, it just went over my head, probably because I was very naive, and I, you don't take life too seriously when you're young, right? But that was my some knowledge that I have about programming. Also, recently, maybe like 3-4 years back, when I was working for a big company, they use Dynamo for Revit, which is a visual programming tool. So I was learning that. So I understood some concepts. So probably I could probably learn faster because I have some vague background of understanding how programming works and all that. But let's see. It's going to be a big task. I've already started actually yesterday. I read about variables and the first chapter of Ruby. So today I want to finish some part of it, maybe like halfway through the course. I want to do it fast, right? Um I don't want to I want to skim through it quickly, understand the concepts, and then start working on projects. So I'll probably ask. Yeah, I'll just go through the Odin project, and they have resources for every lesson. So apart from their text, they also share resources to other websites. So in case you don't understand you reading their uh, exercises or text, you can also refer to what they've linked, right? So that's why I like Odin project a lot. And yeah, let's see what ChatGPT creates. Okay, so they're saying the start date is March 1st, which actually makes sense. Probably think about, but yeah, I'll do some handiwork before that. Just read up stuff. Okay, practice HTML and CSS by building simple web pages. Learn the basics of Git and GitHub. 20 to 25 hours. Okay, no solid under Ruby language. Top complete the exercise on platform. Exorcism or lead code. Database and Rails. Okay, so 8 hours in the evening, right? So eight fives, yeah, 40 hours. Okay, makes sense. Perfect. Perfect. Can you make a timetable? Yeah, and yeah, of course, I'll be using ChatGPT quite a lot during the learning process as well. So you can see how that works. Okay. Mm. Okay, lunch break is when I'll probably go to the gym as well and get back something to eat. So, by the way, I'm married. So that helps because my wife really supports me in whatever I do. And yeah, so that really helps. And because, food is sorted and stuff. I don't want to say it, but I also help, of course, at home. But if I really want to spend my time, she helps out and take care of other things. All right, perfect. So that's for day one. I'll just sign into my account. Okay, I just need to sign into Bitwarden. Bitwarden is great, guys, if you want to store your passwords and stuff like that. It really helps. Oh yeah, but I've signed in with Google, so I'll just sign in with Google. Mm. All right, so I've just signed into Google and um, can start with the foundations, but I'll go to all paths. I'm going to start with full stack Ruby on Rails. And once I'm done with this, I'll probably look at full stack JavaScript. I'm going to start with full stack Ruby on Rails. Open course. I actually finished all of these, how this course works, installing Ruby. So I need to start from variables. So I plan on finishing this today, which is basically basic Ruby. So I'm going to finish all of these today. And then probably tomorrow I'll start on a project. Yeah, so I'll probably do that. Okay. So yeah, a lot of work. I guess I won't be able to finish all of these probably till loops, arrays. I understand loops, for loop. Yeah, for loop and while loop, I do know a bit. I mean, need to grill it down, grill it really well. I mean, get the concept in really well so that by doing projects. Uh, and then arrays, hashes, methods is like functions, debugging. Basic enumerable methods. All these I don't know. Nested collections also I don't know. So all these stuff, stuff which I already know, I can probably like skim through it pretty fast and then start learning these in detail. Okay, and Caesar clipper, substring, stock picker. Okay, looking forward to this. All right, guys. So, all right. Oh, check. So I'll do a video. Actually, I can record my entire learning process. No. Yeah, that's also possible. I mean, you have to look at me. But for now, you know what? This is the introduction video. It's already 16 minutes in. I should have paused in between all that, but this is a raw content. I mean, I'm not doing it for money and stuff. I'm just doing it for my own motivation. And I'll probably not even like care about the SEO or whatever. It's posted on YouTube. If the YouTube algorithm picks it up, then awesome. If not, not a big deal as well. I'm in it for a job, right? I mean, I am an entrepreneur, so I'll probably uh, make try to implement this learning into my own business. But let's see how it goes. And yeah, guys, the future to get these kind of jobs is not going to university and stuff. It's just sitting down in your desk, grinding it out for the next 6 months, maybe 1 year, depending on how fast you learn, and putting in at least 5 to 8 hours of work per day. That's how you're going to get the job. And it's worth it. You've seen how much Ruby developers get paid or full stack developers. That's about average for junior devs is about, I think, 30,000 to 50,000 euros. Let's see. You can ask ChatGPT. How much can I earn once I get my first job? Can you simulate it based on research? So entry level Ruby on Rails developer. Tech, which can include startups or established companies. Uh, yeah, 40,000, 50,000 euros annually. Uh, so that's about 40,000 euros to INR is, yeah, 35 lakhs, 98,000. In that, about 40% would go in tax. So probably about 17 to 20 lakhs. Yeah, see, 26,000. Gross monthlies are 3,750 euros. All right. After taxes, 2,175. Okay, perfect. And how many hours of work do these developers generally do? 35 to 40 hours. Okay. 40-hour work week. Yeah, remote work is awesome. All right, perfect. All right, guys, join me on this journey. My name is Manish, and join me. This is day one. Even you're going to learn, right? This is day one after watching this video. Yeah, you're going to. Wait, I'll make myself bigger. You're going to sit and learn coding as well. Start with the Odin Project, guys. Start with me, day one. Watch my videos every day. I'll create some motivational videos also. Once I get my job, no, motivational, like peak, like next level. So this is day one. Join me on this journey. Tomorrow is day two. I'm gonna stick, bro. I'm gonna stick to this like next level. And yeah, some last tidbits I've seen. If you're working as a developer in India and if you have good experience, I'm telling you, bro, you'll get a job easily in Europe, US, and all. You just apply through LinkedIn, get that connections, you sort it. Uh, yeah, I'll just go wash off my hair, some oil. Yeah, I'm keeping these videos raw, okay, because I see a lot of content now, which is it's just like they cut out the raw parts and it's just salesy, right? You don't connect with the YouTuber or the person on the other side. I'm a person, right? I'm not a YouTuber. You need to connect with people, and that's how YouTube started, right? It's all about like when you watch a video, you connect to it. So shouldn't be too salesy, like Alright, guys. My name is Manish, and I'll see you guys with an update on what I'm going to learn today. It's 12:25 p.m. and I'll come back at 2 and I'll start my. I'll actually, you know what I'll do? I'll make a screenshot of this, save directly, and I'm gonna set this as my background. So set as background. Okay. Oh, crazy, bro. Actually, you know what? Make a bigger screenshot. Okay, perfect. So this is my desktop background. Whenever I wake up, I'll be seeing. I mean, not wake up when I switch on the laptop, and the screen shows up. This is my schedule for every day. So I have only like half an hour left. So I'm going to start coding and programming in half an hour. So yeah, so I'll probably just to keep myself, what's the word for that? Mm, there's one word, no, where you take okay something to keep myself motivated. No, there's one word for it, bro. What is it? Accountable. Yeah, to keep myself accountable, I'll record my sessions of me learning. I'm gonna learn on the laptop itself. I think learning on laptop is perfect, and yeah, you guys can follow along. You can see how dumb I am in learning. uh, so if a dumb guy can get a job, no, even you can get a job. So think like that and stay motivated and learn coding, bro. Bro, if you learn coding, or I'm being, it shouldn't be bro, even sisters. So, bro, sis, if you're learning coding, then do it. Start today by watching this video, day one. You can check my last video, which will be a few months down the line. We're going to sit and talk about how I got the job, my interview process, everything, and I'll link back to this video. So it's like one heavy circle scenes. But yeah, I have to learn German also. Oh my god, so much to learn. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.